यहाँ पे कई सारा चीज़ जो यहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट ने बनाया हुआ है वो कि जैसे विदाउट डिस्टर्बिंग नेचर इन्होंने एक पाथ ऐसा बनाया है कि लोग जो है ज़मीन पे नहीं चल रहे हैं और काफ़ी सेफ़ है इस पे चलना और नेचर काफ़ी प्रोटेक्ट होता है इससे। तो ये हमारा जैसे हमारा जो स्टेट है उत्तराखंड और जैसे हिमाचल है, तो ये जो है ये स्टेट जो है टूरिज़्म पे डिपेंड, इनका जो इकोनॉमी डिपेंड करती है, तो इनको इस तरह के कुछ जैसे डेवलपमेंट कर सकते हैं, बजट ला सकते हैं। और जैसे कि इस तरह के पाथ बनाना जहाँ पे कोर्ट ने भी मना कर दिया था कि आप हायर जो अल्टीट्यूड जो भी ग्रास लैंड है वहाँ पे आपको टेंट पिचिंग नहीं कर सकते, नीचे आना पड़ता है, तो ट्रैकर्स को काफ़ी सारी दिक्कतें होती है। तो इस तरह के एक ऑप्शन भी ढूंढा जा सकता है कि आयरन का इस तरह का स्टैंड बनाया हुआ जहाँ पे कि नीचे ज़मीन टच नहीं हो रही है बल्कि ऊपर ही ऊपर लोग आ रहे हैं, उसके ऊपर स्टे कर रहे हैं, और इस तरह के विकल्प हो सकता है जो कि यहाँ से मुझे देखने को मिला। मेरी जर्नी शुरू हो चुकी है बिलापुरा सर्जापुरा बैंगलोर से। तो राइट नाउ टाइम इज़ 8:20 एंड माई बस इज़ फ्रॉम अतिवेले अराउंड 9:20। 1 घंटा मेरे पास है, यहाँ से अभी लगभग 15 किलोमीटर आगे जाने मुझे बस जाना होगा और मैं बस के लिए वेट कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे। जैसे बस आती तो मैं अतिवेले के लिए बस लेके फिर वहाँ से स्लीपर बस जो मैंने बुक की है चेन्नई के लिए, तो उससे जाऊँगा जो मॉर्निंग 3 o'clock मुझे चेन्नई में पहुँचाएगी। So now I'm moving towards my hostel where I booked. So very clear path showing by Google. So King's Cross. So my hostel is at King's Cross right now. So going toward the hostel. Let's see how it looks. मैं अपने पंख को खोलूं, मजा तो आए उड़ने का, मुझ में हौसला भरा, मुझे तू आज़मा जरा। Good morning. So today's day starts with my breakfast. So breakfast is मैं चने एंड दाल ले आया था। So started from my hostel and living towards Mount Kosciuszko. I think from here it will be better to see the place. Still it's a sunny right now there. So I just want to say that if you are traveling alone solo to climb the Mount Kosciuszko, so here you don't need any guide. There's a proper path made, what I heard and researched. So you just need confidence in you that you can do it and habit of doing everything alone or managing yourself. So I will be capturing good moment of this trip, because I came far from India for this mountain, because yes, it looks like environment and the climate looks like the same as my hometown Uttarkashi. It's like mountain around, and yeah, this is now winter started, so little cold here, so I'm just wearing the jacket, and I think the weather is nice today, so I will remove it on the way if I feel the requirement not to wear. Hello, my name is Praveen. What's your name?
My name is Manon. I'm from Fredboard Patrol.
From
Yeah,
where?
Fredboard Patrol. So
Okay,
medical
nice.
team.
Oh, you are from medical team. Nice,
Yeah.
from Australia. So beautiful. So
Good
what
job. Good job for your walk.
what I heard about Australian people, but they are very sweet. Whoever made guiding really properly.
Yeah.
So I'm solo traveler, going alone.
Oh,
Yes.
really? Where are you
Yes.
from?
I'm from India,
Oh, beautiful.
northern part.
No, I've never been to India. I'd
Oh,
love
you
to
must
go.
you must visit. It's really
Yeah.
beautiful. Yes.
So cool. Well, good
So-
on you for this big hike. It's such a big mission.
Yeah.
Still got a
I've
bit
climbed
way to go.
Everest.
Oh, well, that's
I've
a small
climbed
mission.
Kilimanjaro.
Beautiful.
And I've climbed the Europe's highest peak, Elbrus. This will be fourth summit.
Yeah.
Then I will go for North America, South America's highest point, then Antarctica's highest peak. 7 continents highest peak.
Beautiful. What a big mission.
Yes,
Is
yes,
that your
yes.
first time up there? Going up to Cozy?
Yeah, it's first time. I'm just seeing these arrows,
Yeah.
and then yes, going.
So cool.
So you are in the vehicle.
Yeah, so we
I'll be
respond
walking.
to all incidents.
Oh,
and
nice, nice.
I'm just making sure you guys can cross that road properly. Because it's by
Thank you so much.
Very
Yeah,
nice
we'll
to
see you on the
meet
top.
you.
We'll see you on the top. Yes, and you must visit India.
Yes, I
Yes.
will.
So now track goes from here. So this is for cyclists, and yes, this is again hiking starts same boat you'll find, and then here I start. It's a very beautiful track actually. So this is how they have protected the nature. They're using the wood and iron part to make it.
Sydney.
Oh, you're from Sydney.
From,
Can I record you?
Yeah.
Yes.
What about yourself?
I'm from India.
Really?
Yes.
What part of India?
Uttarakhand, Himalaya.
Okay. Okay.
Have you been there?
No. No.
You must come. It's a very
Got
beautiful.
a few mountains there, I bet.
Yeah, it's very beautiful place. Like this trail
Wow.
is like that only.
Well,
So how far it is from here now?
I'd be about 2 k's to the Eagle's Nest,
Okay.
and then it's another 6.5 to the peak.
So that means 8 kilometers are still left.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. People go on the this one and they feel proud of them. They should
Yeah.
walk.
Yeah, it's a good.
They will
effort.
enjoy, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
From the bottom all the way to the top. That's a big effort.
This is right now break point in between Mount Kosciuszko is a little far, so people are having rest. So I met one gentleman here. So sir, tell me your name.
G'day mate, my name's Bernie.
Okay, so how is your travel till now?
Oh, it's been bonza.
Okay.
Been really fantastic.
Okay, that's
You
great.
want to meet my mate?
Yes, you're
Yeah,
one of
I'm-
a friend
I'm his
here. Yes.
Yeah, it's a real snorter.
Okay.
It's up there.
Okay, it's good.
Give him a poem, mate.
So how was your experience till now?
Well, I'll summarise it with a poem.
Okay. Would you like to visit India? India is also a very beautiful place.
Very beautiful.
Yeah, I'm just inviting.
Very.
Yes,
Very,
so you
very.
must visit and then. So while walking to the top, I met two beautiful ladies. They are wearing one cap written rare on that. So yes, what is that? What you are doing basically?
Hi. We're walking today for Rare Cancer Australia that support people and their families living with rare cancers.
Okay.
It's, what would you say, Mog? Cancer's hard enough as it is, let alone when there's not enough research or medicines for
Yes.
the type of cancer that you or your family
Okay.
has.
That's I think a great initiative you are taking. So this is individually or this any organization there? in
No, it's a
Australia?
big organised event today, so you'll see lots of these caps around.
Yeah, I can. That I
Um,
asked someone also.
Yeah, so there's lots of companies that have sort of brought their staff down to walk it. So
Okay,
yeah,
that's great. This flag you are carrying, that is which any
That's
country?
the same thing.
yeah.
Oh, that's
So-
the same thing. Okay, that
Yeah.
you are carrying. Okay, good luck.
Yeah,
We'll see
thank
you on the
you.
top.
Thank
Yeah.
you. You
Yes.
too.
Thank you.
Thank you. So Australia's highest peak. So this is the 16 March what was planned from there. So I will go back after some time. So this will be the place how it looks around.
आज गम है तो कल है खुशी, जिंदगी की यही रीत है, हार के बाद ही जीत है। थोड़े आंसू है थोड़ी हंसी, आज गम है तो कल है खुशी।